A big fish took the bait, but it went straight into the rocks. When that happens, pulling harder can make you lose everything.
あ、潜られた。待て待って、無理やりやるな。潜られた。
Hours passed. Even after dark, the fish refused to come out. So I decided to try something different. This may look strange. I'm using the head of a Pacific saury. Some anglers believe that a strong scent can attract fish and create movement around the hiding spot. I attached it to the fishing line with a zip tie. Then I slowly lowered it toward the reef. Now, all I can do is wait. It worked. The fish finally came out. This is a Taman, a popular game fish in Okinawa. 51 centimeters. Definitely worth the wait.
51.5から2。
いやいいね。
If you take out the fish's internal organs in advance and store them in the refrigerator, you can eat them deliciously. Removing fish scales may look like the boring part, but there are actually some interesting facts behind it. Fish scales are not just decoration. They act like natural armor and help protect the fish from injuries and predators. Many species also use their scales to reduce drag, allowing them to swim more efficiently through the water. Some scientists have even studied fish scales to develop stronger and lighter materials for human technology. Another useful trick is to scale the fish while running water over it. This helps keep the scales from flying all over the kitchen and makes cleanup much easier. Professional chefs often pay attention to this small detail. Taking your time during preparation also helps you avoid damaging the meat. A clean fillet starts with careful scaling. In many fishing communities, people believe that respecting the fish means using as much of it as possible. The fillets become sashimi or fried dishes. The head and collar are often cooked because they contain rich gelatin and flavorful meat. Even the bones can be used to make soup stock. Very little has to be wasted. Fresh fish changes quickly after it is caught. Keeping it clean and processing it properly helps preserve the best texture and flavor. A lot of people think catching the fish is the hardest part. But experienced anglers often say that preparing the fish is just as important. Good preparation turns a successful catch into an unforgettable meal. And this fish is about to become several different dishes. Many people think catching the fish is the hardest part. Experienced anglers often disagree. I hurt my finger with the dorsal fin of a fish. Please be especially careful not to get stuck when cooking. Now it's time to fillet the fish. Even the head and collar are too good to waste. After removing the bones and skin, the best cuts are ready. Some parts are perfect for sashimi. The rest will be cooked. It's very hard, so please be careful when cutting. The head is cut in half. Many people think this is one of the most flavorful parts. Nothing goes to waste. Every part of the fish can become a delicious meal. First, a fresh carpaccio. Then, simple sashimi. Fresh fish doesn't need much. Mix soy sauce and vinegar, and eat with wasabi. And finally, crispy fish cutlets with tonkatsu sauce. Or with tartar sauce. Which one would you choose? It's not always successful, but if it's this delicious, it's worth a try.